Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change wallpaper on your Microsoft Surface laptop 8th generation. To do that, we're gonna have to right-click the desktop of our laptop, and after that, select Personalize. Then we're gonna have to expand the background menu, and here select what we want to use as our wallpaper. The first option would be the picture with some default Microsoft images in recent images to select from. Then beneath we can also choose our own photo by clicking Browse Photos and selecting the file from the File Explorer. And at the bottom we can also choose the fit for our desktop image. Second option here is solid color, which we can use for our device's background. We can use one of the available default colors, or we can also use custom one by clicking View Colors and selecting the color that we want to use for our background. Third option is Slideshow, which lets us use an entire folder of pictures as our wallpapers. So you can click Browse, then select a folder with pictures from your File Explorer, then select the frequency of pictures changing right here, whether or not you want to shuffle the picture order, and whether you want the slideshow run when your laptop works on battery power, and at the bottom the fit of the image. And the last option we have is the Windows Spotlight, which is a bunch of random images presented by Microsoft. We can learn more about each picture by clicking this icon in the bottom, in the top right corner of the screen, and they will change every once in a while. Every once in a while you will get some new photos to look at. So just select your own preference, and this way apply a new wallpaper to your device. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.